The news is very important when it's come to India-Qatar relation and also very sensitive. So the 8 ex-Indian Navy personnel, those who were given a death sentence, is a matter of concern for the Indian government, and it's a responsibility of the government of India to protect their life and also address the issue. So let's understand some of the historical background behind the case. Okay, so this case came into being in the year 2022. So in that, 8 Indian nationals, all were the retired Indian Navy personnel, were arrested by the Qatari intelligence agency, and thereafter they were produced before the Qatari court, and court has found guilty of espionage, that's leaking secret sensitive information to the other country. So that has been the accusation by the Qatari government. So initially they were kept in solitary confinement without clear charges. So this was the first, and second, they were charged with spying in Qatar on the behalf of Israel. So there was a matter in that the Qatar and Italy has signed an agreement, MOU. So in that, Italy has agreed to provide them a Navy submarine for their defense purpose, but information related to this has been leaked out. And still the issue is not been resolved. So this matter was quite sensitive to the Qatar. So in that, this news came into being. So those all Indian Navy ex-personnel were actually working with the Qatari firms called Al Dhara, and that was actually shut down after their arrest. So report also actually said that the personnel were working on the project to develop a small stealth submarine for the Qatari Navy. So this was developed with the Italy government. So what were the things that India has taken till now? So India has got the consular access to the accused and provided a legal assistance. So trial was started in the March this year. Qatari court for the first instance has pronounced them guilty and awarded the death sentence, right? This is a very deep shocked kind of information for India, and Indian government is trying to explore all the options available to safeguard the life of Indian personals, right? So this is all about the information. Hope you like the video. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe to Selection Eyes.